What's up guys, Trains here, and today we're on the sort of Hangout Clousre, also joined on call by UK Level Crossings, MCLA Trains and Joe Thorpe. Joe Thorpe's on location at Rowston Level Crossing. We're waiting a charter service 106 Golf 1204 Grantham to RECP. The train... Ely, sorry.
Ely reception.
Okay. Okay. The train at the moment, we do believe to be near we're within the vicinity of Metheringham at the moment. The train's last report, it had left Lincoln Central at 12:57, running about 2 minutes late.
The train, I'm on the diagram.
Where's the train at the moment?
It's near Metheringham. It's not far. It's on the approach from Metheringham.
Also, we've now just been joined on call by JM Trains.
Yay!
He's just dropped out of call again.
Whammy, whammy.
He's gone.
No.
Yes. Now he's back.
Jamie, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Oh, what? The other
Jamie
Jamie?
Martin.
There's two there's two Jamies on call now.
Oh, that's annoying.
Confusing.
We've got JT and JM.
JT, JM, and JS. No, JT. JT.
There's two JTs as well.
MCLA and MA and an M train.
But yeah, at the moment, we do believe, Joe, from the looks of it, looking according to real-time trains, yeah, the train's just past Metheringham.
It's about Ruskington at 1:14.
Is it Metheringham now?
Yeah, it's just past
Yeah,
Metheringham, 3 minutes late.
Yep, get ready.
Turn your camera on, Joe. Turn your camera on. Okay, so Joe's at Rowston Level Crossing.
It won't go off yet, but I need to just check what the head code is and all that.
It's 106 Golf 1204 Grantham to Ely Reception.
Yeah, what time is it past Ruskington? 13 Golf,
13:14 past Ruskington.
So it's 13:14, 106 Golf, service from Grantham to Ely Reception.
Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
What is it running as?
106 Golf.
106 Golf. I think it's according to Babe, he's filmed it at Lincoln. He just said he told me that it's a couple of 68s. So it's DRS.
So nothing too.
There's the I've just sent you guys the data on the service.
Wait, is it running a charter?
It's a charter service.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
There we go, there we go.
That's why. I could dance to
Hi guys, so we're at Rowston Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe. UK Level Crossing, JM Trains, MCLA Trains and M Trains.
I could go down.
Down we go.
I could get that.
There we go. Now the time is
13:10.
13:10 on Sunday, the 19th of September 2016. This is for our 13:13 106 Golf service from Grantham to Ely Reception, and we have a Hangout Clousre as well. Say hello, everybody.
Also, it's the 18th, Joe, not the 19th.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
The time I realised
Oh,
I
of
got
course,
a late
it's the
start,
18th
so...
today. Sorry, this 18th.
Sunday, the 18th of September.
I was thinking that as it's a Sunday, I'm not used to filming. I was thinking it's Monday today. That's the only thing. Actually, even though I did say Sunday, I was thinking it was Monday.
The time is...
I'll do the Jamie task and I'll get some light shots as well.
Ah, cool.
Hang on.
Are you filming, Jamie? Both Jamies.
I'm not filming, I can't film.
Oh,
I'm filming.
good.
I'm hoping that my
did you hear the
recording
new alarm
software is
helps
picking up
with
my
this?
voice.
Do you hear the alarm with the raised pitch yesterday?
Oh, yeah, I saw that on Helpston, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like
Oh yeah, I heard that. It's not as good, is it?
I feel like it's a whole lot more quieter, but I quite like it. It's exactly like Dock Hills and that lot in Doncaster, in Bentley.
Yeah, here she is.
Oh, what have we got?
Yeah, I don't like Helston's new alarm.
I do.
Keep the camera steady.
It seems weird. It looks weird. Sorry, it sounds weird.
Can you
It's not changed in position, but it's just
Where's
been
that cat, by the
screwed.
way? Hope
I think there's a
it's
little screw on the back.
We
Can
have
you
my
check the
first
colour?
ever 68. I think this might be.
Okay, we've
wait,
got...
that was
I
quick.
got a modern one.
Okay, we got
caught a pair of
68.
What is this, well?
68, 017.
68, 17 to...
Oh,
lagging.
It's lagging a bit.
Get to 68, 016. Fearless to Ely. And
Holy.
Up they go.
They go.
The
Does
68.
anyone have a timetable on
Do the
them?
lights, do the lights. Lights.
Has anyone got a timetable?
I have got real time
Thanks.
trains open.
Thanks,
Do you know what
guys.
time it gets to Warrington Junction?
Thanks, guys. Thanks,
So
guys.
what?
See you next
Sorry?
video.
Do you know what time it gets to Warrington Junction?
Thanks, guys. See you next video.
oh